Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a box in from Brickdesigners. Thought I'd open it up and let you see what was inside. Looks like we have all the parts for their aircraft tug. You can see some of the printed elements here, and then this bag over here. Let's take a closer look. So, two bags. This one appears to be all the standard parts, and this one has, there's the number 3, some edge printing on that piece, some dots on that one. That might be a turn signal, I don't know. But yeah, so we got the parts in for their dock mule, I believe it's called. I'll go ahead and get it built and I'll return and show you what it looks like. Here is the Brickdesigners Navy flight deck tractor completed. There are two different configurations for the tractor. One is with the generator attached to the back of it. That's what this piece is over here. I'll let it go around once and then I'll put it on. Turned out pretty good. I love the way that they print on all the surfaces of the vehicle. Here's the flight deck tractor with the generator hooked onto the back of it for starting the aircraft. This is a piece that you have to take off to put it on. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day.